Grevy's zebra, Equus grevy, also known as the imperial zebra, is the largest zebra species and one of the 3 existing zebra species today. Named after French President Jules Grevy, this species stands out with many unique biological characteristics and is facing the threat of extinction due to natural and human factors. This article provides a comprehensive overview of the characteristics, habitat, social behavior, reproduction, and conservation challenges of Grevy's zebra. Grevy's zebra is easily recognized by its black and white stripes. These stripes are not just an aesthetic feature but also help them camouflage in their habitat, confusing predators. A distinctive feature of Grevy's zebra compared to other zebra species is that their stripes are narrower and denser, running along the body in a clear and sharp manner. Grevy's zebra is quite large, with a shoulder height ranging from 1.45 to 1.60 meters and an average weight of 350 to 450 kilograms. They have large heads and long, erect ears, giving them excellent hearing. Their large, bright eyes provide a wide field of vision, allowing them to observe their surroundings and detect danger from a distance. Grevy's zebra has strong teeth adapted for grazing on grass and tough vegetation. Their stomachs are also developed to digest cellulose-rich food that they typically consume in arid environments. Grevy's zebra primarily inhabits arid grasslands and semi-desert areas in northern Kenya and Ethiopia. Their habitat typically includes expansive grasslands and scrublands, where they can easily find food and water. These areas often have dry climates, with high daytime temperatures and low rainfall. The habitat of Grevy's zebra is shrinking due to the expansion of agricultural activities and livestock grazing. Competition for water and food with domesticated livestock also puts significant pressure on Grevy's zebra populations. Furthermore, illegal hunting for their skins and meat poses a major threat to this species. Grevy's zebra has a complex and flexible social structure. Unlike other zebra species, Grevy's zebras do not live in fixed herds but often move in small groups with varying numbers of members. These groups can range from a few individuals to dozens, depending on environmental conditions and food availability. Males typically live alone or form unstable small groups, while females and their young move together in temporary groups. Males often establish and defend their territories, using scent and sound to mark and communicate with other males. Grevy's zebra is a herbivorous species, primarily consuming grass and leaves. They can travel dozens of kilometers daily to find water during dry seasons. Their endurance to thirst and hunger is an important biological trait that helps them survive in harsh conditions. Grevy's zebra has a non-seasonal breeding cycle, meaning they can mate and give birth at any time of the year. The gestation period of Grevy's zebra lasts about 13 months, and they usually give birth to a single foal. The young can stand and walk within a few hours of birth, helping them avoid predators. The young depend on their mother's milk for the first few months of life but start grazing on grass and other vegetation at around 6 months old. Mother zebras are very protective of their young, and the young typically stay close to their mothers until they are old enough to become independent. The average lifespan of Grevy's zebra in the wild is about 12 to 15 years, but in captivity, they can live up to 25 years or more. Better living conditions and medical care in reserves and zoos contribute to their increased lifespan in captivity. Grevy's zebra is currently facing a high risk of extinction due to habitat loss, illegal hunting, and competition with domesticated livestock. the population of Grevy's zebra has significantly decreased over the past decades, with only about 2,000 individuals remaining in the wild. Protecting this species is a major challenge, requiring collaboration between conservation organizations, governments, and local communities. Conservation efforts for Grevy's zebra include protecting natural reserves, monitoring zebra populations, and raising community awareness about the importance of protecting this species. Captive breeding programs are also being implemented to increase the number of individuals and reduce pressure on wild populations. Several international and local conservation organizations have successfully established protected areas for Grevy's zebra, where they can live and thrive safely. These efforts include closely monitoring zebra populations, managing and protecting their habitats, and conducting research on their biology and behavior to support effective conservation measures. Grevy's Zebra Sanctuary in Kenya. This is one of the main areas protecting Grevy's zebra. This sanctuary not only provides a safe habitat but also conducts research and education programs to raise awareness about Grevy's zebra conservation. Captive breeding programs. Many zoos and conservation centers worldwide are participating in breeding programs to ensure genetic diversity and increase individual numbers. Education and outreach. Raising community awareness about the importance of Grevy's zebra and the threats they face is a crucial part of the conservation strategy. Education programs are implemented in Grevy's zebra habitats to reduce human-wildlife conflict. International cooperation. Cooperation between international and local conservation organizations is key to protecting Grevy's zebra. These collaborative projects include sharing information, experience, and resources to enhance conservation efforts' effectiveness. Grevy's zebra is a remarkable species with many unique biological and behavioral traits. However, this species faces significant challenges in maintaining population numbers and conserving its habitat. Conservation efforts need to be intensified to ensure that Grevy's zebra does not become extinct and continues to exist in the wild. By collaborating between conservation organizations, governments, and local communities, we can protect and sustain this rare zebra species for future generations. This is the end of the video. If you find it interesting, don't forget to leave us one like and one channel subscription, and don't forget to comment on everyone's opinions.